The situation we are living in Africa today is just telling me that most of the African presidents are not taking cognizance of what is happening. There is a news that is coming from Cameroon. I thought it's only in Nigeria or other African countries that I can see that. I am going to read the news before I analyze. It said Cameroon or Canada is a question. Poorly paid doctors and nurses are choosing to leave. That's common in Africa. I'm going to read the news so that you will understand. After training as a nurse, Navele, Cameroonian worker, as a front, after training as a nurse, Navela Layu spent almost a decade in Cameroon working as a front desk receptionist because he was unable to find a decent paying job in the medical field. Last year, he gave up looking. He applied for a nurse program in Canada, where he now lives with his wife and the children. They are stealing us from Cameroon, the 39-year-old Layu said. We want to work in Cameroon, but there is no pay, so we have to look for other options. Did you see? When I am telling you that the government of Cameroon is not working on the right side, people that are in the seat will start attacking me here. They will start attacking me because they are eating from the national cake which others don't share from. When I tell you that Paul Biya is not a good president, you tell me, no, give him time. Give him time for how many years? Paul Biya have been on seat for more than 30 years. And there is no good health facilities in Cameroon. For more than 30 years. Look at Nigeria, what is going on. Nigerian doctors have started moving away from Nigeria to Italy. They have started moving to Europe. In all parts of America, they are there. There is no doctor. The doctors that are here are those ones that are attached to the government that are thieves. The other ones are the ones that are working in government institutions and they have their own hospital here. When they go to the government hospital, where they don't treat even anybody, they will refer them to their own hospital where they will use knife and what kind of a country? What kind of a country? Those are the ones, those thieves are the ones in government. If you are a doctor in Nigeria and you are working in any government hospital and you have your own hospital somewhere operating very well than the one you treat in the government hospital, you are a thief. You are a thief. A big thief. If you are working in a government hospital and when patients come to the government hospital where everything is supposed to be, you then divert that person to your own private hospital, you are a thief. That is, you are extorting the government, you are extorting the people, because when you take them there, you steal from them. A medicine of 100 naira, you will sell it 1,000 naira. Are you not a thief? You destroy the government facilities and they build your own. Even some even get to the extent of stealing the equipment that is in the government facilities to their own private hospitals. Are you not a thief? I know you will not find it well with me, but you are a thief. Share this out to across to any doctor you see working in the government hospitals, and they are also operating their own hospital. They are thieves. If you are not a thief, tell me. If you are a neurologist and the work of neurology comes to the government office, to government hospital, and you take it back to your own hospital, are you not a thief? Instead of making that money for the government, for them to have something in the coffer, you divert it to your own, and the government will still pay you. Are you not extorting? Is it not stealing? You're a thief. If you are a doctor or a nurse in a government hospital in Cameroon, and when patient comes, you divert that person to your own hospital, you are the thief. You are thief. We don't condone such a thing. I know you will not get well with you, but the truth must be spoken. I cannot come here and start telling you sweet things. That is what have damaged this country. This is what have damaged Cameroon. That is what have damaged Nigeria. I am talking about Nigeria and Cameroon because these are two brothers. We cannot stop talking about them until things are done right. I thought it's only in Nigeria that doctors are leaving the shores of Nigeria. Go to Cameroon, they are leaving. They are just going away to Canada, going to UK, going to England, going to Wales. They are leaving the shores of the Cameroon and Nigeria to the city, even better, that the country is better than. Somebody is going to Italy. Some are looking for job, even in some African countries that has nothing, because their own, they think everything is gone. Who did this to us? Who did this to us? What kind of mindset do you people have? What kind of conscience do you people have? What kind of conscience do you people have? See the promises, how they are depreciating day by day, and you people still have the audacity, the stone heart to be dealing with the people in such a manner. This is an impunity. It is barbaric. It is repugnant to the law of natural justice. When we talk about the government, but the people who are working in the government as an employees, they are among the people that are dealing with this country. When will this nonsense stop? No one works with diligence. No one works with the truth. Everyone is resorting to stealing, doing all manner of things. But later they say the government. Is it the government that is holding your surgical blade? Is it the government that went to school with you? Why not do the ones you are supposed to do and leave the government? When you and I does well, the government will be forced to do well. Even if they are not forced to do well, we will force them to do well. When will this impunity stop? When will this barbarism stop? Doctors will call you for something they have spent for 1,000. They will bill you 150,000. Do you see the wickedness in our hospitals? When you fail to pay, they will abandon you. Do you see how hard-hardened these people are? Check in your hospital. Are you not doing it? Common ordinary gentamicin of 500 naira in Nigeria. A doctor will give you that gentamicin in order to cure you for a minor infection 5 times or 4 times, and the doctor is collecting the sum of 50,000, even more than gentamicin of 500 naira. Kai, what a wickedness! A doctor will just concoct paracetamol and the small medicine that doesn't worth 200 naira and give to you with a sum of 20,000. Come on, that is wickedness. Cameroon, that is wickedness. Nigeria, it is wickedness. Kenya, it is wickedness. Uganda is wickedness. Zambia, where are you? South Africa, anywhere this thing is happening is a wicked act, and it must be condemned. This is wonderful love, where we talk about love, we disseminate love, we teach people love. Let us start doing what is reasonable and love our brothers as we love ourselves. Let's stop being wicked to our people. Let the government give our people job. That is why you people, when you get headache, you fly to Europe. When you have ordinary minor toothache that can be solved here with a small medicine, you fly to America, destroying our money. This must stop. It must stop. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If what I am doing is good to you, if you love what I am doing, subscribe to this channel. But if you don't like it, it's itching your ear, go and hug transformer. Our people must live a good life. I will not come here and start painting words for you. Am I begging you? Who are you? Who are you? Till next time.